In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsuspend a user in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, you'll first want to log into your Zendesk account. Head over to the Zendesk website and click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your administrator credentials and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where all your Zendesk features are waiting for you. Next up, we'll need to navigate to the Admin Center. On your dashboard, locate the Zendesk Products icon and give that a click. From the menu that appears, select Admin Center. This will take you to the section where you can manage various settings and user profiles within your Zendesk environment. Now that we're in the Admin Center, look to the sidebar on the left. You'll see a variety of options, but for our purpose, click on People. Once you select that, find the option labeled Team Members. This section will display a comprehensive list of all the users associated with your organization, including any suspended accounts. As you look through the list, you can either scroll or utilize the search function to quickly find the user whose account you want to unsuspend. Once you locate that suspended user, click on their name to access their profile overview. This will bring up all the relevant information you need for managing their account. Now you're almost there. With the user's profile open, you'll see various management options available. Look for the option labeled Manage in Support. Clicking on this will direct you to the support management page for that specific user. Once you're on the support management page, you'll want to look towards the upper right side of your screen. There, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this menu, and you'll see a couple of options, including Unsuspend. Select Unsuspend, and just like that, the user's account access will be immediately restored. And that's it. You've successfully unsuspended a user in Zendesk. Remember, it's important to monitor your user's suspension statuses regularly to ensure that everyone who needs access to your Zendesk instance has the necessary permissions to do their job effectively. If you encounter any issues during this process or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your Zendesk experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, again, consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Your feedback really helps us create the content that you want to see. Until next time, have a great day.